My wand seems to be malfunctioning.
We've tried good spells, which only made things worse.
Maybe we should try a bad spell to make things better.
Yes!
We'll have to make one up.
Barbie doll adventures, sparkle up.
What a peaceful afternoon in Doll World.
I need to relax after that huge musical number about pets.
Oh, this is so awesome! Ta-da!
Oh, yeah. Glamorous.
You love it?
You think that would fit me? Huh?
Whoa, what are those?
Looks like they're coming from Fantasy Location Land Place.
Let's go!
Okay.
Wow. So pretty. But so unusual. Something isn't right. Oh, look. Over there.
No.
Are you okay?
Barbie!
Hi.
Other assorted dolls! Thank very goodness you're here! My wand seems to be malfunctioning. See? You all usually come up with creative solutions to problems.
Yes.
Right? Any ideas before this wand turns Doll World into a glittery memory?
Okay, that magic's a little rusty, but I'll give it a whirl. Magic wand, pink and glitter. Stop your madness. It looks like litter?
There's trash.
I'll try. We love glitter. We love dust. But stop this now. It's a must. Oops.
Best storm ever. Well, we tried. Good luck, Fairy Sparkles Barbie. Gotta go.
Whoa, wait. We've tried good spells, which only made things worse.
Maybe we should try a bad spell to make things better.
Yes!
A reverse spell, like reverse psychology.
Yes! What's that?
You'll understand soon.
No, I won't. Oh, I get it.
A reverse spell? We'll have to make one up.
Magic wand.
Keep making messes.
We love this glitter.
It matches our dresses.
Wow.
The reverse spell is working. Wow, thanks, dolls.
Yeah.
That was close.
It's no sweat.
We love to help.
Working together.
And eating kelp.
No.